Welcome to our channel. Did you know that the animal world is full of undiscovered secrets? Today we'll explore 10 of the strangest secrets in the animal world that might truly amaze you. Are you ready? Let's get started. 1. Did you know that dolphins have unique names? Dolphins are not only incredibly intelligent, but they also possess a complex communication system similar to humans. Each dolphin develops a special whistle, a unique sound from an early age, which they use to call their friends. Scientists have discovered that these sounds resemble human names and are used for social interaction and identification. Dolphins even remember these sounds for years, using them to search for each other across the vast oceans. 2. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? Yes, octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, and a third pumps it to the rest of the body. But the strangest thing is that the third heart stops when they swim. So octopuses prefer to crawl because it's less strenuous. Also, each heart works differently. The 2 lateral hearts pump blood to the nostrils, while the central heart pumps it to the other organs. 3. Did you know that the Arctic fox can hear the footsteps of a mouse under the snow? In the Arctic fox relies on its sensitive ears to hunt its prey. It can hear its prey, such as a mouse, moving under a layer of snow as thick as 40 centimeters. How? Its ears act as radar, picking up sound vibrations beneath the snow with great precision, allowing it to leap and pounce with amazing precision. 4. Did you know that lizards can regrow limbs? But although they can regrow their tails after losing them, the new tail isn't perfect. It may grow irregularly or lack the real bones that were previously present. Also, some lizards need 2 to 3 years to fully regrow, depending on the age and species of lizard. 5. Did you know that termites never sleep? In a scientific study, it was shown that worker ants don't sleep, while the queen only rests for a few minutes. How? Because their life depends on continuous teamwork. But what's even stranger is that worker ants take short naps that last only seconds, but they aren't considered true sleep like humans. 6. Did you know that owls don't rotate their heads 360 degrees? Contrary to rumors, an owl's head only rotates 180 degrees. However, its eyes don't move, so it rotates its head to see faster. How does it do this? Thanks to its neck, which has 14 vertebrae, we only have 7, and a special circulatory system that prevents blood flow to the brain during rotation. 7. Did you know that elephants don't forget? But they can sometimes forget. Despite their reputation for having strong memories, elephants can forget places they once knew due to environmental changes or old age. Scientists have found that elephants rely on social memory to remember water and safe passageways. But if these locations change due to drought or deforestation, elephants can get lost. 8. Did you know that frogs can freeze and live? Some Arctic frogs freeze in the winter and their hearts stop beating. How? They secrete a glycol-like substance into their blood, preventing ice crystals from forming inside their cells. When the ice melts, their heart gradually returns to beating, and they live as if nothing had happened. 9. Did you know that bees die after stinging? But not all bees. A worker bee dies after stinging a human because it loses part of its intestine. But a wasp or queen bee doesn't die because it doesn't lose the same part. How? Because the worker bee's serrated stings are embedded in the skin, tearing the body apart when removed. A wasp's stings, on the other hand, are smooth and don't stick. 10. Did you know that the Komodo dragon gives birth without a male? This giant lizard can reproduce without male intervention through a process called parthenogenesis. However, the young will all be male. How? Because female chromosomes cannot form females without male intervention, so they only produce males capable of reproducing later. Was this information new to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. Which secret surprised you the most? And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to stay up to date. See you in the next video.